Hello, friends. This is Organizing with Norma Galloway, Savvy Zen Organization. I'm going to show you guys a project I just did. This is my system of taking everything out of the closet. This is the supply cabinet that I use for all cleaning products. So I put everything out and put it in categories and use these containers to kind of sort through things and see what's in the cabinet. Once it's all emptied, I clean it out and sweep the floor. And then I have some containers that I got from the dollar store, and I'm using the color scheme with the white and turquoise. I have small containers and large containers in all different sizes to kind of utilize as much space as I can. So I put the items in the categories that they belong in, if it's for the floor or it's dish detergent, if it's for something to clean the refrigerator and wipes and things like that. I put them all in their containers, and this way I know when I pull a container out, if I'm looking for certain items, that I can find them. Things that I use around the house that I might not use often, I put in these containers with the lids that close and they're stackable. So these things will stay nice and tidy. And it's best to keep all your cleaning products in the same category if it's refrigerators, stainless steel and stuff like that. So this is how it looks after I have stored them back in the cabinet. Put everything back together. Just kind of get some kind of system going to make it look more organized and easy to find my products. So I hope you enjoy watching. And if you have a project at home that you need to work on, it's a good idea to go to the dollar store and find yourself some pretty containers. They come in all different colors, and then use some clear bins for like toilet paper and paper towels, stuff that you can see and that you use often, and stack things that you don't use often on the higher shelves. And if it's something heavy, you want to put that on the bottom shelf. And let's use this thing here for the closet storage of like plastic bags to put in garbage cans, because I use those for liners and any times I need to use those bags. Okay, and that's it, guys. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and like this channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. And also, please leave me a comment and visit my website at savvyzenorganizations.com. Have a good day.